Today I'll introduce 6 immune boosting side dishes. Let's strengthen your immune system with familiar foods and get healthier together. First one is creamy kabocha meat wraps. The key to this side dish is the use of vitamin-rich vegetables. The beta-carotene in carrots, also known as provitamin A, is converted to vitamin A as needed by the body. This vitamin A is said to help boost the immune system. And kabocha is also a highly superior vegetable. Kabocha is rich in antioxidant vitamins such as vitamins A, C, and E, making it an excellent immune-boosting food. The kabocha is hard, so I warmed it in the microwave for a minute before cutting. Let this warm for 6 minutes to soften. You can also boil them in the pot. Fry the carrots with a little olive oil. Olive oil also contains vitamin E, which helps immune function, so lately I often use olive oil in my stir fries. In addition, the absorption of vitamins A and E is said to be enhanced when taken with oil. Season lightly with salt and pepper. When carrots are cooked, let cool. When the kabocha is soft, mash it. Then it's made into creamy kabocha. Add butter and milk. The amount of milk to be added will depend on the water content of the kabocha, so adjust accordingly. I will make it this soft. Prepare thinly sliced pork loin. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper on one side. Since the sauce will be made later, only a little salt and pepper is needed. Sprinkle flour on one side. Place mashed kabocha on top. Put carrots on top too. Wrap it up. Finally, dust the outside with flour. By doing this, the meat is less likely to flake off during cooking. It also makes it easier for the sauce to become entangled. Cook them in a fry pan. If the meat tends to stick to the pan, add a little oil. You only need to cook the meat on the outside so it cooks quickly. The top and bottom parts are difficult to cook, so move them around well to cook the entire surface. When the meat is cooked, add the sauce ingredients: sake, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Simmer slightly until the sauce thickens. Creamy kabocha and crunchy carrots match the sweet and spicy meat. Since protein is also important for improving immune system function, I think this is a perfect dish. Next one is easy and healthy okonomiyaki. This okonomiyaki is probably the easiest okonomiyaki I have ever introduced. It's really quick and easy to make with just 3 ingredients, so watch closely. First, shred the cabbage. And fry it in olive oil. When the cabbage is wilted, sprinkle lightly with salt and pepper. Cabbage is also full of vitamin C, which is why I chose it for making side dishes this time. Once removed, let's fry the meat. I use ground pork. This can be done with any meat of your choice. Here, in addition to salt and pepper, add dashi powder, I would have liked to season it with sake or soy sauce, but I decided not to, as it would have made it watery. Mix with the cabbage from earlier. You can have them stir-fried together. Prepare beaten eggs and spread them thinly like this. Place the cabbage and meat there. And roll it up. It's safe to turn off the heat at this point. It's hot, so be careful when rolling it up. It's perfectly fine to transfer it to a plate and let it cool before rolling it up. By the way, eggs contain a very good balance of essential amino acids, which are the building material for immune cells. So side dishes with eggs are something I like to eat every day. After pouring on the okonomiyaki sauce and mayonnaise, it's almost like okonomiyaki. If you don't have okonomi sauce, try this recipe. Finally, sprinkle with aonori to complete the dish. Next one is broccoli and almond salad. Broccoli is the star of this Japanese style salad. It's perfect for busy people because it's really ready in an instant. Cut broccoli into small pieces and crush the almond. Broccoli is a vegetable with very high vitamin C content. It's also rich in vitamin E and dietary fiber, which are said to boost the immune system. Oil is added later, so here it's stir-fried without oil. When cooked, transfer to bowl. Put sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. If you have it, you can also add dried bonito flakes to make it tastier and more nutritious. Add a lot of vitamin E rich almond to keep your body strong. The seasoning of today's salad goes really well with other vegetables, so try using it on all kinds of salads, including lettuce, cabbage, cucumbers, and carrots. Next one is salmon and mushroom stir fry. The key to this side dish is the mushrooms. I use shimeji mushrooms and maitake mushrooms. Mushrooms are rich in vitamin D and beta-glucan, which work on the immune system. In addition, they are high in dietary fiber, which promote a healthy intestinal environment. Please try making it with any mushroom you can find. Tear the mushrooms into pieces like this so that they are easy to eat. Is salmon a fish you eat often? Salmon is also known to be rich in vitamin D, which boosts the immune system. And today's seasoning makes the mushrooms and salmon a great side dish that really works well together. Cut salmon into desired size. Japanese salmon has bones attached to it, so I remove it. This one is already coated with a little salt, so only flour is sprinkled on it. If the salmon is not coated with anything, I recommend sprinkling just a little salt on it. Cook the salmon in a pan with olive oil. When the skin is crispy, turn over. Add a little sake and steam. The meat becomes fluffy when sake is added. Steam for 3 to 4 minutes. When the salmon is done, toss it with a little butter and a little soy sauce. I don't like the salmon to fall apart, so I take it out and fry the mushrooms separately. Season the mushrooms. Add mirin, salt and pepper, butter, and soy sauce. If you don't have mirin, add a little sugar. Finally, add the salmon back in and mix lightly. I think this would make a great bento box dish. It goes great with rice. Next one is spinach, tuna, and egg sesame mayo salad. I use this tool to make boiled eggs. Like carrots, the beta-carotene in spinach is converted to vitamin A in the body to boost immunity. Japanese spinach has a harsh taste, so it's boiled before use. After boiling for 1 minute, drain the water and squeeze the water out slowly with your hands after it cools. Today I will use this sesame paste. If you do not have it, you can use ground sesame seeds, but you can enjoy creamier and richer sesame flavor with sesame paste. Add mayonnaise, soy sauce, and beet sugar. Please use honey or sugar instead as you like. Today I added tuna, but it's also very tasty with ham or crispy bacon if you like. After mixing the tuna and the sauce, add the drained spinach. Mix thoroughly. I forgot to add salt, so I added a little. It's better to add salt a little at a time, tasting as you go. Finally, cut the boiled egg and mix slightly. Sprinkle with black pepper and you're done. It can be made with other leafy greens that are rich in vitamins. The last one is pepper and chicken stir fry. These green bell peppers, piman, are a great source of vitamins. This type of bell peppers are also rich in vitamin C, which is said to help boost the immune system. Bamboo shoots may be hard to find, but if you can find them, I hope you will use them in a stir fry like this one. It's a very tasty food with a very good texture, soft but also crispy. The key to this side dish is to cut all ingredients into small pieces. This is already cooked chicken breast. These breasts come in a variety of flavors and are often sold in Japanese supermarkets as chicken for salad. I'm going to cut it up and use it in a stir fry since this is a plain flavor. The sauce is made in advance. Put oyster sauce, sake, chicken stock powder, sugar, and to thicken the mixture a little, potato starch is also added. Oil the pan and stir fry peppers first. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Then add bamboo shoot and chicken. Both are already cooked, so they should only be lightly warmed. Add the sauce. Add a little water to prevent the sauce from hardening too much with the potato starch. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. It's better to fry the potato starch on high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. The sauce is well entangled with the ingredients and looks so good. How did you like these 6 side dishes? Let's all make these side dishes to build a strong body. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber and would like to support our channel, please join our membership. Membership feedback will be reflected in content creation. See you in the next video.